Oh, that's fun.
We should have bought a four-wheel drive. Damn it. Oh! It's pretty tight. Is that where the two people live? Or do you think the two people who live here live in separate houses?
Or maybe the two people that live permanently here, the other one is just summer.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you do?
I could see that people would come here for summer. Not much point being here in winter.
I mean, seriously, I hope the pub is open.
Me too.
We should have walked.
We have a hit of scotch when we get to the pub. We hope the pub's open because as of today's date, 16th of March, there's a lockdown on most of the country. All the schools are closed. All the other things are closed. I can see the beach. Not everything's closed, but I mean, we're on a little bloody island. Maybe the pub isn't even open because it's not season.
Could be.
We'll be pretty disappointed if that's the case. Coney Island. Original.
Rabbit Island, we call it.
Rabbit Island?
Rabbit Island.
Alright. Oh, we're about to hit the beach. What the fuck is... Look at the GPS. What's the GPS telling you? It's saying you fucked up. Stop here, don't go any further. That's what the GPS is saying. Look, there's just the ocean.
Let's go to the beach!
Right, so we're here on Coney Island. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm looking for fossils, and I'm finding a lot of them. I want to take something home so I can put it on the mantelpiece. Something from Coney Island. I've found this one. It's a rock with quartz crystals forming inside the rock. It almost looks like a liver or something. This one I'm taking home to put on the mantle. We're going to scrub it up, and maybe you might even see some crystals in there, which I think is pretty exciting. Mind you, our definitions of exciting might be very different to each other. What I'm looking for right now is pumice to take home to rub on parts of my feet while I'm in the shower. And a nice pumice stone is always going to be the right tool for a job like that. Oh look, it's a bit of shell. Looks like quite a thick one. Must have been quite old, this shell here. Pumice tends to go up really high. You can see some of these rocks here have a lot of perforations, which means they would have been fairly buoyant to get up to this portion of the beach. If I find some nice pieces of pumice, I'll collect them together and take every one of them home. I love finding nearly round rocks, but my favorite of all is finding rocks that look like eggs. That rock looks like an egg, and right next to that, look, a fossil. A nice piece of fossil. It's that tubular one that you see a lot. I think it's actually a plant, not a vertebrate, even though it looks like a spine. Dominique is all the way down the beach. Well, I better hurry up to catch her. I'm going to look for some more rocks, collect them, stick them in my pocket, and then we're going to get headed, see if this pub's open. Ooh.